Hello, my name is Christopher Fonelli, and in this video series we've been going over the tire envelope analysis that was made in HyperWorks. For this video we're going to create the front suspension model as well as import the CAD and apply the tire envelope analysis. Let's get started. First, in the most used session, let's make sure we have the vehicle tools extension loaded. To verify, we go to File, Extensions, and verify that the vehicle tools is toggled on. After that, we go to the vehicle tools menu and select assembly. For this suspension model, we'll be using the front end of vehicle. No driveline. We are going to switch the front suspension to a front SLA suspension. Default steering. We are going to include inline joints or shock absorber with inline joints. No geometry valve bumpers. Select finish. And now we have our default model loaded in. The next step would be to input the hard points. For this, that was already done, so we can just import them into our model. Let's go to Data Summary, select Import Data, choose the front vehicle default points, XLK file, select Apply and OK, and now we can see that the hard points have been updated. Next, before we import the CAD, what needs to be done is we need to deactivate the pre-existing components that we're replacing. With the table on the screen, let's deactivate the corresponding components. Let's first start off in the front suspension, and let's deactivate the upper and lower control arm. Let's go to Graphics, and let's select the first two graphic arm systems. Right click, say deactivate, select it only. And now let's do the rest. After some movie magic, the corresponding components have been deactivated. Let's do two more things before we bring in the CAD. Let's update the front coil spring properties. So in the entity editor, with the coil spring system selected, let's update the upper attachment and lower attachment for the spring. Going in the Advanced Selector, we're going to disable only show entities within valid scope. Go all the way to the shock absorber. For the upper attachment, we're going to use the shock rod, and for the lower attachment, we're going to use the shock tube. Let's add the tire envelope analysis. Let's go to the Events in the Vehicle Tools menu and pop-up window. Let's scroll down and choose Tire Envelope Analysis Displacement at Wheel Center. Select Next, Finish. Scroll all the way down to the Analysis. Open up the Tire Envelope Study form. Select the form and properties. Let's expand this list, and let's update the rack travel for left and right to be positive and negative 80 respectively. With that updated, let's add the new graphics. So we're going to go to the Geometry menu, select Graphics. Let's verify that the parent system is selected to the front suspension. Switch the type to File, and select the HUD that was exported in the last video. And we'll choose one graphic per component. Select OK. As you can see, we have all the components that we created in HyperMesh in our new model. What needs to be done is in the entity editor, we need to switch the body selection from the ground body to the associated component. And now let's do it for the rest. Now that everything's set up, let's save the model, and then let's analyze the model. So let's go to the Analyze menu, select the analysis settings. We can change the run name and update the output directory. Let's have Run Offline selected and verify that the entire envelope analysis is selected. And now let's run. With analysis complete and no error messages, let's end the video right here. And next video, we'll go over how to verify any collision sets. Thank you and have a good day.